Did you know that the average American consumes over 17 teaspoons of sugar a day? What impact does this have on our health and wellness? As we explore the hidden costs of sugar, let's uncover healthier, carb-free alternatives that can transform your diet and boost your well-being. Stay tuned to learn more about making smarter food choices. Welcome to a journey that could transform your health and well-being. In a world dominated by sugar, it's time to explore carb-free foods as a healthier alternative. Imagine enjoying delicious meals without hidden sugars that sabotage our best intentions. Carb-free foods offer a refreshing solution, promoting vitality and wellness without the crash of sugar highs. Today, we'll uncover the benefits of these foods, setting the stage for a healthier you. By eliminating added sugars, carb-free foods not only support weight management, but also enhance energy levels and overall health. Whether you're looking to reduce your sugar intake or simply curious about healthier eating habits, this introduction will guide you towards making informed choices. In the upcoming segments, we'll delve deeper into sugar-laden diets and explore specific carb-free options that can seamlessly fit into your daily routine. So, let's embark on this enlightening journey together, discovering how carb-free foods can transform not just your diet, but your life. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to healthier living without sacrificing taste or satisfaction. In today's fast-paced world, sugar seems to be everywhere, lurking in the most unsuspecting places. Despite being aware of its potential dangers, many find themselves entangled in the web of sugar-laden diets. The allure of sweet treats is undeniable, but what are the real consequences of indulging in such habits? For countless individuals, the struggle lies not only in resisting these temptations, but also in navigating the myriad of challenges when seeking healthier, low-carb alternatives. The problem is more pervasive than it appears. As societies have evolved, so too have our eating habits, often leaning heavily on convenience and taste rather than nutrition. This shift has led to an alarming rise in sugar consumption, contributing to a host of health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Yet, knowing the risks hasn't made it any easier for people to break free from this cycle. One of the core challenges is accessibility. Finding food options that are both nutritious and low in sugar can seem like an uphill battle. Supermarket aisles are lined with products labeled as healthy or low-fat, yet a closer look often reveals hidden sugars. This deceptive packaging can lead to confusion and frustration for those genuinely striving to make better choices. Moreover, societal norms and cultural traditions often place sugary foods at the heart of celebrations and daily routines. From breakfast cereals to evening desserts, sugar finds its way into every meal, making it difficult for individuals to adopt healthier habits. The social pressures and emotional connections tied to these foods add another layer of complexity to the dilemma. Yet, there is hope. By understanding these challenges, we can begin to carve a path toward healthier living. It starts with awareness and education, being informed about what we consume and the impact it has on our bodies. Awareness empowers us to question our choices and seek out alternatives that align with our health goals. But where does one begin in this pursuit of a low-carb lifestyle? It may feel overwhelming at first, but small changes can lead to significant improvements. Identifying foods that are naturally low in sugar and rich in nutrients is key. Embracing whole foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can set the foundation for a more balanced diet. As we delve deeper into this journey of discovery, we'll explore carb-free foods that not only nourish the body, but also satisfy the palate. These options provide a beacon of hope for those committed to reducing their sugar intake without sacrificing taste or enjoyment. Stay with us as we uncover practical solutions and empowering strategies that can transform your approach to eating and redefine your relationship with food. Welcome back to our journey towards healthier living. As we navigate the world of nutrition, it's crucial to explore the power of carb-free foods. Today, we're diving deep into 5 specific carb-free foods that are not only nutritious, but also delicious and versatile. First on our list is the mighty avocado. This creamy fruit is not only carb-free, but also loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocados are rich in potassium, more than a banana, in fact, and they offer a wealth of fiber to keep your digestion on track. Whether you slice it up for a salad or mash it for a savory spread, avocados are a delightful addition to any meal. Next, let's talk about eggs, a staple in many diets and a fantastic source of high-quality protein. Eggs are virtually carb-free and packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin B12, selenium, and choline, which supports brain health. Enjoy them boiled, scrambled, or poached. The possibilities are endless and delicious. Moving on to leafy greens like spinach and kale. These powerhouses are incredibly low in carbohydrates, but abundant in vitamins A, C, and K. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Toss them in a smoothie, saute them as a side dish, or create a vibrant salad. Leafy greens are a nutritious must-have. Fourth on our list are mushrooms. These fungi bring umami flavor to your dishes without any carbs. Mushrooms are an excellent source of B vitamins and minerals, such as selenium and copper. They can be grilled, stuffed, or added to a stir-fry for a savory boost to your meals. Last but certainly not least, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds. These are all low-carb options packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They provide a satisfying crunch to your snacks or meals and can even be used to create nutrient-dense flours for baking. Incorporating these carb-free foods into your diet is easier than you might think. Start by replacing high-carb ingredients with these options in your favorite recipes. Whether you're crafting a breakfast bowl, assembling a midday salad, or preparing a hearty dinner, these foods offer versatility and nutrition without compromising on taste. As we continue our exploration of carb-free living, remember that small changes can lead to significant health improvements. The foods we've discussed not only help reduce sugar intake, but also support overall well-being by providing essential nutrients and energy. Up next, we'll uncover an exciting health revelation about one of these featured foods that you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for a surprising twist that highlights just how beneficial these carb-free choices can be for your health journey. Picture this: a simple avocado, often overlooked, holds an astonishing secret. It's not just a creamy delight for your taste buds, it's a powerhouse for your heart. Imagine lowering your cholesterol without compromising flavor. Surprising, isn't it? This carb-free marvel is brimming with heart-healthy fats that work tirelessly to maintain your cardiovascular health. In a world where sugar is omnipresent, avocados offer a refreshing alternative. They allow you to indulge in richness while staying true to your health goals. This revelation is not just about diet, it's about transformation. As we journey through the landscape of carb-free foods, avocados stand out as a beacon of hope. A delicious reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be bland or burdensome. Embrace this moment of revelation, where taste and health unite seamlessly. This is just one of the incredible benefits that carb-free foods bring to the table. And as we continue exploring these nutritional wonders, remember, each bite you take brings you one step closer to a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this exciting world of nourishing possibilities. As we draw to a close, let's revisit the 5 carb-free foods that have the power to transform your eating habits. These foods, whether it's the heart-healthy avocado or the nutrient-rich leafy greens, offer a delicious pathway to a healthier lifestyle without added sugars. Each of these choices not only supports your dietary goals, but also contributes to overall well-being. By incorporating them into your daily meals, you're taking a significant step towards reducing sugar intake and enhancing your nutrition. Remember, every small change towards healthier eating choices can lead to a life filled with vitality and energy. It's about making informed decisions that align with your health objectives. As you embrace these carb-free options, you pave the way for a future where vibrant health is within reach. Our journey through carb-free foods has shown that healthy eating doesn't have to be a challenge. It can be an exciting adventure filled with flavor and benefits. Stay tuned as we continue to explore new ways to inspire and inform your path to wellness. Up next, we invite you to join the conversation and share your own experiences with carb-free foods in the comments below. Let's keep this dialogue going and support each other on our health journeys. Join the conversation. Share your favorite carb-free foods in the comments and explore more on healthy eating by watching our next video. Let's continue this journey towards a healthier lifestyle together.